In this video, I will show you how to get the Revolut Referral bonus. Revolut currently offers a bonus of €80 when you refer a friend and they complete a few required steps. To find your referral link, open the Revolut app and tap on your initials in the top left corner. From there, select Invite Friends. You'll see the offer that says earn €80 for each friend you invite, along with your active invites. Each invite shows a purple ring around their initials, which indicates how many steps they have completed. The steps are simple. First, they must sign up using your link. Second, they need to add money to their account. Third, they must order a physical card. And fourth, they have to make 3 purchases of at least €5 each. Keep in mind that certain transactions like gambling, gift cards, or transfers don't count. To share your link, tap on Invite Friends again and select Copy Link. You can then send this link directly to your friends or share it however you like. Once they finish all the steps, your €80 bonus will be credited directly to your Revolut account. That's how you can get the Revolut referral bonus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.